After discussing carboxylic acid, we are going to start esters. Esters. Basically, the functional group for ester is RCOOR. Functional group is RC double bond O, then O, then R. And ester can be formed by the reaction of carboxylic acid with alcohol. Carboxylic acid with alcohol.
Sir, what is R?
R means any alkyl group. Let me tell you.
Okay.
Ester and water would be formed. Ester and water would be formed. Let's suppose when we were discussing alcohols, I told you methanol, ethanol, then
Mhm.
propanol, then butanol. So basically, CH3OH is your methanol. I can say that this is ROH. So here the R is CH3. Here the R is CH3. When we would be writing the formula for ethanol, so that would be C2H5OH. In that case, I would say that the R is C2H5. So that's why I can say that R is any alkyl group. R is any alkyl group. R means any carbon containing group, right? It may be one carbon,
Mhm.
maybe two, it may be three, it may be four. Generally, we say that this is R group. Okay?
Mhm.
Yes. Okay. Then carboxylic acid and then alcohol, when they are going to react with each other, so they form ester and water. Generally, this is a condensation reaction in which water is released. In this reaction, water is released as a side product. Basically, we are interested in esters, so we would be looking at esters, how they are going to form. So, okay, then H2SO4 is a catalyst in this reaction and also a heat. So, we have discussed hydrogenation, we have discussed hydration. In hydrogenation, we were heating up to 200 degrees Celsius and we were using a catalyst that was nickel. In hydration, we were using H3PO4 as a catalyst and we were heating up to 350 degrees Celsius and some pressure, I think so there was. So that was hydration. So every reaction every reaction has its own condition. Otherwise, they are not going to happen at room temperature and pressure, right? At room temperature and pressure, okay? So,
Yes.
let's suppose this is simple carboxylic acid. I can say that this is methanoic acid. This is methanoic acid, and this is this is methanol, and this is methanol, that is CH3OH. This is methanol. Okay, so
Mhm.
uh, they would be reacting with each other in such a way that carboxylic acid would be giving its OH and alcohol would be giving its H. Ultimately, the water is removed, the water is released. Rest of the things would be combining with each other just like that. Rest of the thing would combining with each other just like that. This is ester. This is ester. So in
Mhm.
this form ester. Let's suppose I'm going to tell you you have propanoic acid and
Mhm.
acid. Let's suppose I'm telling you that you have ethanoic acid, that is this CH3CH2OH. Let's suppose you have ethanol, and then you have CH3CH2CH2COOH. You are supposed to write down the displayed formula, and you have to show how they are going to combine with each other, how the water is released, and then
Mhm.
the product would be an ester.
Okay. Wait.
Uh, this is ethanol, and this is you can say propanoic acid. Okay, so let me draw the displayed formula of this. So this is ethanol. And this is butanoic acid. Okay, this is butanoic acid. So I told you carboxylic acid is going to give its OH, and alcohol is going to give its H. So overall, the water would be released, and then the water would be released just like that.
Wait, I got it. Can you do it?
Sorry.
आ गया समझ करो.
Okay. जल्दी आ गया बेटा. ओके, तो ये आपका एस्टर बन गया. इजी है. एक और दो.
जी.
कंफ्यूज कर दिया थोड़ा सा मैंने. यस. ये सही बनाया हुआ है आपने पिछला. ओके, अब ये कैसे बनेगा?
हम्म. अच्छा.
और अल्कोहल व्हाट?
अल्कोहल का एक ही सी है. कैसे?
यस.
So it's methanol. No, methanol.
यस. अब सही बनाया है. यस. इतना आसान तो था. मतलब कि आपने सबसे पहले क्या करना है, इसको ऐसे करके लिखना है. वैसे तो डायरेक्ट भी बना सकते हैं, कोई इशू नहीं है, लेकिन थोड़ा सा क्लियर हो जाता है कि यार OH और H का मतलब कहाँ से ये जो है ना निकल रहे हैं. तो वाटर इज रिमूव्ड, एंड देन जो बच गई हैं चीजें हैं आप उन्हें कंबाइन कर दो.
तो सर इसमें क्या करें? इसमें क्या करें?
क्लियर है?
इसमें क्या करना था?
आवाज नहीं आ रही आपकी।
इसमें क्या करना था? हेलो,
ऑल
इसमें क्या करना था?
ऑल करेक्ट? यस,
Sir, what's wrong in this?
basically this is correct. The structure that you made is correct.
This one is correct,
Yes,
but I made this before because it's wrong.
no problem. What the order is, let's suppose if you're going to make this structure in this manner, just like that. This is also correct. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Okay. Just wait, just wait, just wait, just wait. Oh, एक और दें. Okay.
Like here.
भाई आपको क्या है कि मॉलिक्यूल का डिजाइन क्या है ना भाई? कॉन्सेप्ट कॉन्सेप्ट क्या कहता है? यू हैव टू रिमूव वाटर एंड देन यू हैव टू अटैच whether the molecule is, just ignore the structure of the molecule or a compound, just you need to remove water molecule and you are supposed to attach them both. बेटा हमने तो आपको जानबूझ के इसका मुंह इस तरफ करके दे दिया है ताकि आप कंफ्यूज हो जाओ, लेकिन आप आइडिया क्या है इसमें? देखो आइडिया ये है कि इसका OH जाएगा और इसका H जाएगा। आइडिया ये है, तो मैंने क्या किया, मैंने सबसे पहले ये वाला बॉक्स बनाया, इसका O बनाया, सही है, उस O के साथ इस C को कनेक्ट किया, क्योंकि वाटर तो रिमूव हो गया, ये वाटर तो चला गया, ये H चला गया, वो OH चला गया। आप यूं समझ लें कि मैंने इसको उठाकर उसके साथ अटैच कर दिया, जस्ट लाइक दैट। अब इस कार्बन के साथ ऐसे 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 बना हुआ है। बस असल चीज है कि आप हमें ये वाली लिंकेज दिखाओ। दिस इज कॉल्ड एस्टर लिंकेज, दिस इज कॉल्ड एस्टर लिंकेज, दिस इज कॉल्ड एस्टर लिंकेज। तो इस तरह से आपको
Okay.
बनाना है। बात समझ आ रही है?
G.
यस।